Hi Annie, here's some video of the faulty iron number 2, which is ironic, Murphy's Law, I just cannot believe it. But that's that one there, the replacement one you sent me. And beside it is the original one that first let go. So, just so you can see the both, I just can't believe it. I just wanted a working soldering iron of 100 watt heat range, and it just seems to be something that just does not want to happen for me. I've just never struck this problem before. I run my 25 watt soldering iron off the same power board, no problems, since 2017. And in the pictures there's a proof of when I bought it. It was from a different company, but it just has not given me a moment's problem. So as to why these ones decide to stop working with no abuse and only three uses, 3 heat cycles, is beyond me. Anyway, I hope we can sort something out, because I'm just at a loss. Okay, thanks, Annie.